Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'll be journaling in 2 Timothy 2:15, where it says, "Work hard so you can present yourself to God and receive His approval. Be a good worker, one who does not need to be ashamed and who correctly explains the word of truth." So I am a director of the preschool age children in a program called Awana at my church, and Awana is like a nationwide program, and Awana stands for Approved Workmen Are Not Ashamed, and that acronym comes from this verse. But basically it says that as long as you have Christ in your life and you have faith in Him and you are praying to Him, you believe that Jesus died on the cross and rose again, then He will give you the strength, the wisdom, the power to have a life that is pleasing to God and a life that it will show love to other people. And that is a life that we are not to be ashamed of. We are not to be ashamed of what we believe in and who we obey, where we get our strength and our wisdom from, and that person is in Jesus. So I have the new Planner Society kit. I thought the March kit was going to be my last one, but evidently not. Because I received the April one. So, and it is beautiful as all the other ones, but they had this little journaling card here that says, "Be the best version of you." So I thought this card really fit this verse that I have read today. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use one of these really pretty paper clips here. They're a velvet ribbon, and I thought this was really pretty with the purse and the flowers. Here's some washi tape that it came with, as well as a tab to go at the top. I also may pull some of the stickers here, and then I'm going to use this piece of acetate that has these gold foiled butterflies and this floral here that has gold foiling in it. I just thought it would be pretty for spring. I'm going to try something a little bit different as well. I'm going to make like a little page, hinged page with my washi with the acetate. I'm going to put some of the paper in the margin, and then the journaling card I'm going to glue on this part that will be the hinged page so it doesn't cover up the words underneath. So we'll see how this turns out. I hope you like it. Let's get this stuff cleared off and get started. Guys, so here's my final journal entry. I think I really love doing the little clear page flip out so that you can see everything. I had this die cut here, but I left it so that you can still read the words there, and just underlined my verse. So it's pretty simple. I love the effect that the paper gives going through the acetate. I think it just turned out really super pretty. So go ahead and check out the link down below for the Planner Society kits, and hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.